Let's take a look at Session 4, Credit Choices. The materials needed are the table tents, the credit fact collections, the graphic novel panels, and the credit fact cards. In this session, you will be talking to the students about the importance of making good financial decisions that affect their credit. As we know, everyone needs credit and needs to establish a credit rating for those major purchases that you might not have money for. As an example, a car, a mortgage, or a home, or maybe some major appliance. So establishing credit is very important, and today's session will allow the students to realize that decisions they make today will be with them for a long time if they make a poor one. As we have asked in prior sessions, again, bring as many personal experiences to the table and share with the students. Your examples of things that worked well, didn't work so well, are a way that they can really relate to this curriculum. Our helpful hints have some great ideas for you to implement into this class as well, and we encourage you to use some of the examples from the helpful hints as well throughout your class today. For the activity, you are going to be distributing to the students one of the graphic novel panels and the correlating credit fact card. The object of today's class is for the students to take a look at a certain topic as it relates to credit and read through the scenario and then find out the key terms or points that they'd like to share with their classmates. One side of the poster will demonstrate or illustrate credit decisions, and the other side will show the category they are working on. In this example, who really cares about your credit? Again, this card correlates who really cares about your credit. The object of this activity is the students working in groups will take this card and they're going to read through and find, again, the key points that they want to share with their students. On the back side of the graphic novel panel, they will go ahead and start putting the pieces together, filling in the bubbles that each of the characters is wanting to share with the remainder of the class. We have our good character, we have our bad character, and these folks here represent our consumers. Allow enough time for the students to read through their card and fill in the bubbles on the back side. Upon completion, then they will be presenting to the entire class. The book says to allow 5 minutes for presentation, but it will take a little longer than that. So plan to have maybe 10 minutes to present to the full class. Before you start the full class presentations, distribute one of these credit fact collection sheets to each of the students so they can follow along, and they have some very helpful hints on these cards as well. Thank the students for their participation in today's class, and before departing, ask the teacher for a roster of the students so you can complete the Certificate of Achievement certificates that you'll be handing out in session number 5. Have a great activity, and we will talk to you very soon.